Welcome to the We Are Not Lawyers podcast. I'm John.
I'm David.
And this is not legal advice.
But this is the We're Not Lawyers podcast. Does that even make sense?
I don't know.
Well, we're not lawyers.
We're not lawyers.
Thank goodness.
I did say we're not lawyers.
Well, I think you
I'm
did.
not a lawyer. Far from it.
No, but sometimes I act like one, like I'm an asshole. All right, let's get underway. We talk about family law matters. We talk about men's rights. We talk about family violence.
And we get a lot of these posts from social media.
We do. In this case, we're going to talk about this question, which comes up often, which is, what are my chances of 50-50 custody in Australia? What do you think about that one?
What are the chances of 50-50 custody in Australia? Well, if you apply for 50-50 custody, or negotiated or requested, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't have 50-50 custody of your children.
But what are the chances of 50-50 custody, given the current?
The chances are 50-50 because you need to ask. If you don't ask, you don't get.
Okay, but you know the stats.
Yes, I do know the stats.
So knowing the stats for the audience out there, let's not bullshit them.
We're definitely not here to bullshit anybody. So the chances of 50-50 is very difficult.
Slim and none, unless you're a female.
Well,
that's true. Now, okay, so we'll talk about this, right? That only about 2,100 cases per year get to trial in the family law court. And that's, starting off from 40 or 50, and some of those go towards consent orders, etc. Now, if we tally it up, in terms of those who go to trial, it's something like 45% mother gets sole custody, and then 40-something% is shared, and for that shared, it's generally female dominant, so it's going to be like every second weekend or something. And there's maybe 11% case of where the father gets sole custody. That's usually where the woman is like a drug addict or in jail or something like that. And so what we're talking about is that middle 40-something%. And very few is the answer to that. And because that's very few, even though that's just a minority of cases that go to trial that we're talking about, because of that statistic, when men and women are negotiating, it's very much influenced by that knowledge. Like everyone knows, I'm not going to get shared custody here, so they agree to private agreements where they also get something like every second weekend, except that they don't have to pay the $300,000 and 12 to 5 years going through misery. So I think what I may have just answered there, it's very slim, isn't it?
Anorexic.
It's anorexic. It's an interesting way of putting it, John. Now, as usual, anything that I've just said can't be construed as
legal advice.
But I don't think anything there is legal advice, other than...
Well, that's just a discussion point with regards to child custody.
It is.
And the statistics clearly show what is actually going on out there anyways.
Right, and we're trying to change that fact and have a little bit of, accountability, not just in the court, but also for the parents involved too. So if you want to check us out, where are we at?
We're at www.fairinkomelegal.com.au.
Yeah, check us out and see what you think.
Cool. Next time.
See ya.